Hi, Mr. Andrew here, and today we're evaluating a function. So before me we have the function f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. Now here we're told to find f of 0, f of 1, f of negative 2. So if we look at this function notation off to the side, we have an f and we have an x. Well, that function, that f, just means it's a function of x. So our input is x. So notice, zoom in on this input of x. Well, if you notice these notations right here, we replace that x with a 0, with a 1, and with a negative 2. So here, that's exactly what we're going to do. F of 0 is equal to the same thing. Since x was replaced as 0, I'm going to replace every x in here of 0. Just be sure to use parentheses liberally, and it won't steer you wrong. So 3 times a 0 plus 4. The key thing again is always use parentheses when you plug something in. So then we go ahead and solve. So 0 squared is 0 times 2 is 0 minus 3 times 0, which is 0 plus 4. This is equal to 4. Okay, and that's because 0 squared and then anything times 0, and then this is multiplication of 0 again, and then we just have the constant at the end, which remains 4. So f of 1. Okay, so we have 2 times 1 squared minus 3 times 1 plus 4. So I work each of these term by term. So 1 squared is 1 times 2. Well, that's 2. Minus 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3, so minus 3, and then plus 4. So altogether, this is equal to 2 minus 3 is negative 1 plus 4 is 3, positive 3. Okay, and now scrolling the paper down a little bit, we're going to have f of negative 2, and that's going to be 2 negative 2 squared minus 3 times a negative 2 plus 4. Okay, negative 2 squared, the squared gets rid of the negative, that's a positive 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6, and then plus 4. So 8 plus 6 plus 4 is 14. Or 18, I'm sorry. I was thinking 18 but said 14 for whatever reason. And this is how you evaluate these polynomials. And the key here is if you replace the x in the notation with a 0, you replace the x in the function with a 0. That's the way I think about it. So if you have any questions, comments, just email me. Thank you.